Hello, I'm Matt Feehan, the owner of Fix Auto in Minnesota. For over 40 years, Fix Auto has been the innovator here in the metro area. In fact, one of our missions is to create the easiest collision repair experience anywhere. I think that everyone would agree easy would be nice right now. Our lives have got increasingly complex. There's fear just on a daily basis of what's going to happen, and with collision repair it doesn't need to be that way. We've come up with a solution called a no-contact repair process that would allow you to not have to leave your home in order for us to repair your vehicle. So currently we have photo estimating, which basically means you can send us photos online through our web portal and we'd be able to look at your vehicle and advise you on the repairs. We have free pickup and delivery. We have free loaner cars. The free pickup and delivery is in a 30-mile radius, so we're covering a large area. So don't think you're too far away. We can come to you and we can make this very easy for you. We do specialize in handling insurance claims, so we could also submit to you electronic paperwork so you can sign those, authorizing us to work with your insurance company on your behalf so you don't even have to work with them. We've recently implemented, in response to the coronavirus, sanitizing your vehicle. We sanitize it when it comes in, and we also sanitize it when it goes back to you. So you've got the peace of mind that your vehicle has been not only well cared for on the collision repair, but you've been well cared for as well, knowing that right now everybody's wanting to pay attention to their health and their safety, and we are very much aware of that, and we're focusing on that. We look forward to helping you. Thank you.